Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures, coming to you for the daily afternoon wrap-up of Thursday, Groundhog Day, February 2nd. Overnight equity range was very narrow, only 9 points, didn't really go too far, but a little bit to the upside. Asian markets were a little bit up. European markets were basically flat. Before the opening, we had the continuing claims number, the normal weekly, a little bit better, 367 versus 365 or 375, so it was slightly better. Modifications weren't that big of a deal, so realistically it's a good trend, but no real movement. Productivity number came in dead flat, so that really wasn't much of a boost, but it was a slight positive before the opening. During the course of the day, there wasn't any real earnings before the opening, but very boring trade here today. The market was actually mixed. The NASDAQ was up 11. The SPX was actually up 1, closed at 1325. The Dow, however, closed down 9 to 12707. Very low volume. The only real activity is that the 10-year note seems to be going up, as well as the 30-year, which indicating a little bit more fear. The yield on the 10-year down to 1.82, dropped another 2 basis points. That's not good, but on the other hand, the VIX number actually was falling. So going to tomorrow's number, which was the primary reason nothing was happening today, is this is a big number tomorrow. The employment number tomorrow morning could set the tone for a while, because earnings have been relatively mixed, other fundamental news have been relatively mixed, but realistically everybody's kind of counting on the employment number. So today, not much. I mean, gold actually closed up 12, the dollar slightly up. So realistically, it's all about tomorrow's number. We also have ISM services number and factory orders tomorrow, but those will probably be relatively pale in comparison to the employment number. So it's all wait and see for tomorrow. It's been Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures.